So the topic we are going to make a video on today is how to remove black spots from your face on your photos. Open the Snapseed app. Select your photo. Go to Edit option. Select the Details option, then Structure -100. Done. Go in Edit option again. Then go to Portrait option. Face Spotlight +100. Smoothing +100. Eye Clarity +50 to 70. Done. Go in Edit option again. Select the Details option, then Structure -100. Done. The editing is complete. Now you can see the results. The dark spots on the face are gone, and the face looks more beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. If the video is of any benefit to you, then definitely give a like. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial video. Bye.